Here we are in northeast Thailand, just at the end of the rainy season, and we've had quite a bit of rain over the last few days. More or less every day we've had rain in the morning and then rain late afternoon, but just enough sun to be able to run the house completely off grid. The problem I've got now is that there's a tropical storm which is making its way. It's moved from the Philippines into Vietnam, and it's just starting to come into Thailand, and we're basically going to be facing several days of very heavy rain. So the time now is about 3:30, and we've been able to run the house without using grid power all today, but I have depleted my batteries a little bit. So let's just have a look at the system. We've got 3 5-kilowatt inverters and 4 lithium iron phosphate batteries. They're 9 kilowatt hour batteries. So what I've decided to do is I've just switched over to utility first. So the utility is just meeting the needs of the house. Any power that we produce on any of the solar strings is going into the batteries. So we're not using the grid to charge our batteries, we're just meeting the needs of the house. And the reason for doing that is that, one option would be to run the batteries down until the very last level, like 20%, and then switching across to grid power. But that may happen during the night, during the worst of the storm, and we end up with a situation that when we need the grid isn't there because some tree has brought power lines down and we're in a power cut situation. And the last thing somebody with solar and batteries wants is to have no power. So that's why I'm preserving my batteries, and I'm just going to trickle them on whatever solar power I can produce and meet the needs of the house. So if we end up with a power cut for a few hours, we have enough power left in the batteries to run the house.